Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning, good morning. Ibig ko lang itong bread kasi wala na akong Hawaiian. But anyway guys, good morning. Dito po tayo ngayon. Wala na akong Hawaiian, wala na akong pandesal. So ito na yung naka-roll. Ready na siya. Biakin lang natin, idukdukin. Nakita siya guys. Ganito guys ah. Mga bread dito guys, ready-made. Lahat ready-made. Kaya wag na kayong magtataka mga tao dito. Ang laki. Malaki sila guys dahil sa mga ginagawa. Tayo mga maliliit. Kailangan natin magpalaki. Dikdikin lang siya. Ibagbag ba? Ibagbag. And then, ito siya. Ready na siya. Lurk.
No treat, no nothing.
Oh, nothing.
Pick all your freaking chicken out of there, but you won't eat the real food.
Oh, nothing oh. Dadas talking. Ang bango. Ang bango ng bread natin. Takpan natin ulit. Kala ko, sabayan ito. Sabayan ako pagkain ng bread. Hindi pala. Tignan nyo naman asan itong asawa ko. Kala ko sabayan mo ako doon. Andito ka pala sa labas doon. Anong klaseng asawa ka doon? Dong. Ako yung klaseng asawa guys na gustong i-drive yung asawa ko. Charot. Charot. Mahilig talaga akong mag-drive guys kasi gusto kong mag-relax na lang siya. Ganyan lang, relax siya habang ako nagda-drive, o diba? Oh. Michael's it is. Punta tayo dito guys. Yung feeling ko, yung pajama ko, yung pantalon ko mahuhulog. Gusto lang akong may tignan dito. Tignan. Right, honey?
I gotta keep an eye on her. She come here for one thing, and then she like want to get 20 things. And she tells me to go, no, walk around the store somewhere else. Don't be with me. Meantime, she never wants me to walk around the store because she's afraid of what I'm gonna get. That means she's got it in her head already. See, she passed that already. She came back for it. What you're looking for was vases.
Vase and flowers, of course.
Oh, something to put in the vases.
Like that, I'm looking guys. Ito. May pakita daw siya sa akin. What are you trying to do na show me? That's for kids. Tami mo. It's nice. Look. This one right here. Oh. One is nice. Yeah, that's what I said. That's nice. Oh, yun siya dyan. Oh, this one?
Kind of cool looking.
Yeah. Where you can find a small one in this. Oh, okay. Doesn't have one. Maganda siya eh. Okay, where are you looking? Attract hummingbirds?
Yeah.
Oh, I like these things over there. Okay, ito na yung nabili namin, guys. Small version, Tommy, like this one. Oh, that's not it.
That
They
won't
want.
do. It has to be like this.
Okay.
And they only got the one, and it's only shorty.
How about this?
Oh, they got more back
You
there.
don't like this?
The orange ones?
You like the black one? Okay, let's do the black. Gusto niya yung black, guys. Where is it? Oh, how much is that? 23. Which one do you like? Hello guys. So ngayon guys, dito kami guys sa tindahan. Nakalabas na kami sa Michael's. And then nandun kami pumunta kami sa Lowe's. And then pagkatapos sa Lowe's, naglos-los kami guys. Bulak lang yung nabili namin. And then yung hinahanap namin na planter, ang mahal. How much is it? 40 bucks? For a small one, right?
Yeah, 2 feet long.
Yeah, 20 something, and if you get two, it's 40. It's really short, guys, and so
Not even 2 feet long.
yeah, it's crazy. So now we are here at Adams. Sa Adams na naman kami. Nagutom din ako, guys. Uy, kailangan kong kumain. Meron silang pagkain dito, and I guess I'm not going to Walmart. We're just gonna get eggs here because Tommy finished the egg last night. He just finished it all. He doesn't care.
Put this.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, will fit.
And then you put
Yeah.
you This is a short one.
How much is that? That's good, that's good. The black one. Ganito kami guys, mas gagastos pa kami guys sa mga body display sa mga bahay-bahay kaysa sarili. Yan ito na naman yung mga ginagawa namin. Ito yung mas ano pa kami nito. Mas gumastos pa kami. Kasi maganda kasi kapag nice yung paligid ng bahay. Ito kasi this is good This one. How much is this? 14? Holy moly. Okay guys, dito. Oh, they have nice one. Look, Latamimoy. Ano ba? Yeah, balik tayo dito. Hanap tayo ng eggplant. Eggplant para kay Tamimoy. Makabalik tayo. Hanap tayo ng eggplant na gusto niya. It's okay. $4. You get only 2 of that. Hanap siya guys para daw sa hummingbird niya. Naluka ako. Ay, hummingbird niya. No, this is not Petunia.
Yes, it is. Look it up. You'll see. Get the one with the yellow and orange, right back here. Back towards me. The yellow with orange, right there.
This one?
Yeah, right away. No, right in front of that.
This one?
Yeah.
This is not Petunia. Look at it. Oh, okay, here, Petunia. No, come over here. Eggplant.
Oh, look, these two.
This is Petunia. I like this one. What? Million
See the
bills.
little hummingbird picture?
Is that hummingbird? That's not hummingbird.
See the picture of the hummingbird?
Okay. So which one is it?
So they make butterflies and hummingbirds.
And which one is it? Oh, I like this one. Look. Look. This one. Is this the one here?
Okay, so try one of those things.
Is this the one?
No.
No. So which one is it? Oh, the white one.
Well, not only white, but this one too.
Is that the same thing? Hanap tayo ng eggplant. Ito, dagdagan natin yung eggplant ni Tami. Kasi gusto niya ito. Hopefully Uy, may puti, oh. May puti. Yan. Ito yung eggplant na gusto niya. Dagdagan natin. This is the one you like here.
That one?
Yes, we have to add another one. That's it, because you have two on the...
You don't want these the classic ones?
Huh? I did have it.
Okay.
You like that one? It's soft. Mga plantita ng mga tao dito. Daming mga plantita. Akala nyo kayo lang yung plantita? Marami ding plantita dito guys. Hindi lang tayo. Tignan nyo yan. Ano to? Perennials. Ito. Oh, I know what is this. This is perennials. Oh my goodness. Ay, perennial pala ito guys. Bili tayo nito guys. Perennials. Bili tayo nito. First Tamimoy. Ay. Ito siya. And then pula. Perennial pala ito. Marami man ito sa atin. Marami ito sa atin guys. Bili tayo. Dagdagan natin yung bulaklak natin. Okay. Perennials. This is to 29. Different color. That's a different color. Masaya ka, sir. Yellow. This is the same thing, right?
Looks like.
Yeah. Perennial stuff. Yellow. What else? What else? The other color.
Pink.
Huh?
Pink.
Which one?
Oh, you feel what's the other color?
Oh, I really like this.
This back.
That's a different one.
Nice paint on.
Okay. Kuha tayo nito, guys. Tignan natin anong gagawin nitong isa. Hey. For salad. Huh?
I'm gonna get the regular sales. These are price, but these are on sale. So.
They're so nice to me to look, you know. This one too. I saw you get this one. It's nice, right? Look. Ang ganda. That's really nice.
I'll give it a couple. I got the bag already.
Not, no, yeah, but not so much because it's just gonna get rotten. We still have one left in the house, though. Parang walang pagkain sa bahay, ah.
I need to stop and go this way.
Oh, it's right here.
Thanks.
Guys, ito na naman tayo, guys. Kumain na naman tayo dito sa labas, guys. Kasi po, mga gutom. Ito, kumain tayo. Meron sa taming. Why you planning to get chicken again?
Because I knew you didn't get very much.
Okay, kain muna kami, ha? Tara, uwi na tayo. Kasi parang ang laki-laki ng gasto na naman natin dito. So, para naman makapag-start na tayong magtanim ng mga halaman. So, yun, pauwi na kami, guys. Kasi po, hapon na eh. And buti na lang, hindi na ako magluluto kasi marami kaming nabili palang ulam. What can you say about this weather?
It's already getting too hot for me.
It just started. So, tingnan niyo yung mukha niya, guys. Kaya he doesn't like hot.
He doesn't like hot.
So, ito na po yung nakuha natin, guys. Nabili natin. Ito siya, eggplant. Additional sa eggplant ni Mr. Kasi isa lang yung eggplant ni Tami. Dagdagan natin para masaya si Mrs. Joke. Anyway, yun. Dagdagan kasi po, ito yung gusto niya. Kasi kapag tumubo, maswertehan tayo na maganda yung tubo niya. Ito yung klase na eggplant na ito. At saka gustong gusto niya yan. Pasensya na sa kuko ko kasi ganina pa ako. Pag ganun kasi magkadumi yung kamay ba. So yan. Perennial po pala ito siya, guys. Kasi ang perennial pala is babalik siya every year. Hindi ko akalain na babalik siya every year. Alam nyo bakit? Dahil sa temperature dito kasi yung temperature kasi dito is pag winter. Yung iba kaya tinatawag yung iba annual. Annual. Mamatay sila, tanim ka na naman. Ito perennial. Ito annual ito. Mamatay sila. And then pagkatapos niyan, magtanim ka na naman. Ito para ito sa hummingbird ba. Ilagay natin ito doon. Magkabila. Ayan, ganyan. Alam niyo ba, nagaling ka tayo sa tindahan, di ba? And nakalimutan kong bumili ng additional na mga yung lupa para pagtaniman ito. Buti na lang meron pang lupa yung container na nandito sa akin. And yun na lang yung pinagtaniman ko kung saan ko nilagay yung mga halaman na nabili natin. At guys, inaatake ako dito ng mga bubuyog. Grabe itong mga bubuyog na to. Gustong gusto pala nila ito. So wala na akong choice kasi nabili na. So ilagay namin ito sa porch. Ang problema nito is ang bubuyog talaga atake to the max tayo nito. At saka takot talaga ako sa bubuyog. Iwan ko, may istorya kasi guys noon sa Bukirin guys, takot ako. Hindi yun bubuyog, lampinig yun guys. Ang dami kong kagat sa mga lips, sa mata, sa tainga, sa kahit saan. Basta yun, takot ako sa bubuyog, kaya yun. So wala na akong choice kasi yun yung gusto ni Taming bilhin. At saka maganda na naman sila kahit annual siya, balik-balik every year, bili-bili ka na rin. Pero maganda kasi din tignan. So yan guys. And then magtubig tayo, hugasan ko lang yung container para naman hindi siya madumi pag ilagay na natin sa porch. Ibitay, hindi siya ibitay, parang ihang lang, hindi ihang, basta makita ninyo yan. So yan, nilinis ko lang po siya kasi ang dami ng dumi. Madumi na yung sa labas niya. So kaya yun, alam nyo, ang sarap tignan ng bahay kapag may bulaklak talaga. Iwan ko, yung parang kahit kunting bulaklak lang, ang gandang tignan, promise. Hi guys, andito ako sa loob. Hindi pa ako nakabili ng flower dito guys, for this area guys, because it's struggle to find the right one. And habang I was doing gardening, when I get back here, my husband is making some, yan?
Arugula salad. Arugula with tomatoes and mozzarella.
Arugula, mozzarella, and tomato. We put a little salt in it.
I put a little salt in there for you.
Or I can add salt in mine, but you really like. How about lemon, Han?
Huh?
A little bit of lemon.
Usually don't.
Oh, usually don't. Okay. Okay. Kanina lumabas kami kasi ito dito, iba yung gusto ko dito eh. Yung ano, malaking vase. Yung gusto ko dito, malaking vase. I think I'm just gonna order it on Amazon because they have it. I like the blue one. You know, that kind of like white and blue. Looks, the cheese looks good, honey.
What?
Is this need to hello? This is expensive, love.
Yeah.
$8? Holy moly.
Well, I know you like it to be colorful.
Color it is. Yep. Cooking, sir? So, yun yung drama namin, guys. If I'm gardening, Tom is in the kitchen. Because ayaw talaga niyang mag-garden, guys, eh. Hindi siya ano sa garden. My Roxy eat the din. She did. How about monkey? You did. How about the cat?
Everybody eat everything.
Oh my goodness. Lucky Dada. But Dada said he give you Bonsi.
Here it is.
Oh, so don't ask me. Look at this, honey.
Yeah, because they're doing a scam now.
So yun guys, yun ano guys, yung pinaplant ko doon sa railing namin, look. And then, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya ha. Dito ko siya nilagay. Dito din yung isa dito. Roxy, don't even go jump in there. Look. So dito siya nilagay. And kailangan ko lang siyang i-secure. Kasi pag maghangin, lilipad yan. So i-secure ko lang, dalawa yan sila. May nagkakat doon sa ibabaw. Okay, sobrang green. Yan si Roxy. Ay. Ito kailangan ko pa itong labhan pala. Kailangan ko tong labhan, baka bukas. Yan, may bulaklak na tayo sa railing. Maganda sana pag marami ano.